Hi friends, I'm Rajnikant. Welcome back to my YouTube channel Sumant Digital English Tutorial Videos. Dear friends, today I'm going to upload questions and answers for 12th class English from the book Flamingo, chapter 4 Red Trap. Questions from understanding the text. Question 1. How does the peddler interrupt the acts of kindness and hospitality shown by the crafter, the iron master, and his daughter? Dear guys, its answer. The separate ways in which the peddler repaid the three people correspondence, the way he interrupted the kindness of the three people. The peddler realized that the crafter's desire for the company was the driving force behind his offer to hospitality. The iron master's hospitality is limited to his acquaintances. It was only the daughter who genuinely offered warmth and goodness to the peddler. He was touched by Edla's kindness and it made him want to act differently. He repaid her effective treatment with a gesture of heartfelt gratitude. Question 2. What are the instances in the story that show that the character of the Iron Master is different from that of his daughter in many ways? Its answer. Edla and her father had different approaches and outlooks towards the life. Edla was more concerned about the individual's feeling than her father. Even after his identity was revealed, she persisted in inviting him over Christmas dinner. She had great convincing power and made both her father and the peddler accept the invitation. She felt bad for the peddler and wanted to do her best to make the Christmas special for him. She did not think of repercussions it might have, which her father did. He was scared that he might steal something from the home since he is poor, but Edla did not submit to that. It was because of her efforts and pure heart that the peddler changed his ways and established trust in humanity again. Question 3. The story has many instances of unexpected reactions from the character to others' behaviors. Pick out instances of these surprises. Its answer. There are various several instances where the character gets unexpected reactions from the people he comes across. He was so used to being shooed away and hated that being well treated was something he didn't expect out of anyone. The crofter greeted the peddler hospitality even though he just went to get some warmth. Later he was also invited to visit home by the Iron Master, which we eventually realized was a mistake. There at home, he met his daughter Edla, who invited him to stay over the Christmas, even after knowing he was a peddler. It was Edla's compassion and hospitality that changed the peddler's outlook of life completely. At the end of the letter to Edla, he mentioned that he was now caught in the rat trap this world was. Question 4. What made the peddler finally change his ways? Its answer. The peddler's perception towards the life changed after he had a random incident with the manor of Williamsons. Since he was poor, he was always looked down upon and never treated well. This, over the years, made him conclude that the entire world was a rat trap and the human luxuries and emotions are just like cheese to get one into the rat trap. On the contrary, he was warmly welcomed by him. He fed him well and took diligent care of him, even though he still could not trust their pure intention. It was Edla who felt a deep impression on him and his life. Her genuine care and understanding of nature changed the peddler for the better. He accepted the world and life with an open heart and he started believing in humanity again. Question 5. How does the metaphor of the rat trap serve to highlight the human predicament? Its answer. The peddler used to metaphor of rat trap throughout the story. It signified that the world is a rat trap and we as mice and provided with the baits of wealth, emotion and other human pleasures, symbolic of cheese. The ones who get lured by this greed end up being captured in the cycles of the world and cannot escape it forever. The entire world runs blindly behind the pursuits of these pleasures and forget to enjoy the life can offer them. The writer focuses on making the reader realize that the material purists are not only things we should run after. Sometimes we should just slow down to enjoy the small gifts of life that life presents us that can leave a deep impact on us. The peddler, despite his negative outlook towards the world, is moved by the kindness of Edla. Question 6. The peddler comes out of a person with a subtle sense of humor. How does this serve in lightening the seriousness of the theme of the story and endear him to us? Its answer. The peddler did not hold good intentions even after being greeted with the hospitality and warmth. The theme throughout the narration is serious and dark, but we can see the subtle sense of humor under the darkness. The peddler thought about the world as a giant rat trap and didn't have a positive outlook towards life. He never tried to change this outlook towards the world since he provided his brain with the enough affirmative evidence to prove the same. This metaphor also makes the ironmaster laugh. The Christmas present he presented to Edla was evidence of his underlying humor, and these instances help to lighten the darkness in this story. Dear guys, now Thinking about the text. First, the reader's sympathy is with peddler right from the beginning of the story. Why is this so? Is the sympathy justified? Dear guys, its answer. The reader sympathizes with the peddler from the beginning. He just roamed around the streets carrying the rat traps he made, searching for the shelter at night during snow days. It was not only his miserable state that made the reader empathize with him, but also the ideology he formed about the world. He was never welcomed at any place and often shooed away and considered a nuisance. This made him believe that the world was a rat trap and all these human emotions and luxuries are the bait for the trap and he should avoid them. Hence he detached himself from everyone and went through the suffering alone. I believe this sympathy is justified because even if he was a thief, he still harbored human emotions and sufferings he went through broke him from deep within. Question 2. The story also focuses on human loneliness and the need to bond with the others. Dear guys, its answer. The peddler for the most of his life wandered alone, selling the rat traps he made and surviving. He was often shooed away and never respected or treated with compassion. He ended up developing hatred towards other humans and labeled the world as rat trap. Everyone in the story was alone. The crafter sat there near the fire and himself and Edla and her father were the only two at home. He was taken by surprise when someone treated him well. He was taken aback when the crafter, iron master and Edla cared for him and respected him as a human. It was Edla's kindness and compassion that changed his outlook on life forever. She invited him for the Christmas dinner despite knowing the fact that he was a poor peddler and was excited to serve him as a guest in the home. Have you known or heard of episode where a good deed or act of kindness has changed a person's view of the world? Its answer. Good karma always returns back, multiplied many folds. We are often told stories by our grandmas about the good deeds, and that helps to change our perspective on the world. We might have a negative outlook on life because of experiences we might have gone through, but these small positive incidents in our life change it for good. I haven't heard of an episode where a good deed has changed the person for good, but I surely do believe in the idea. Question 4. The story is both entertaining and philosophical. Comment. Its answer. Throughout the story, the peddler consistently calls and proves that the world is a rat trap is quite amusing. He continued, repulsion for the material things is entertaining and read, and eventually him getting trapped in that rat trap is amusing too. The story grabs the attention of the reader not only by this amazing metaphor, but also by the witty dialogues that force the reader to think about his outlook on life. The author not only crafted an entertaining piece, but also brought into attention certain vital issues that are often brushed off by the masses. The storms we as humans face in our lives can often lead us to develop a negative outlook towards life, which can be restraining after a certain point. The author wants to encourage everyone to come out of the limited mindset and give ourselves a chance to experience life more fully. There is more to life than what the physical eye can catch, and it enriches life further. It also focuses on how kindness by someone can change the perception towards the life and encourage everyone to be humble and respectful. Dear guys, it's all for today. Hope you must have liked the video. Thanks for watching. Bye.